If you have ever started a machine learning course and felt completely lost the moment the data got messy, this course was built for you. Most students fall their first ML course not because the algorithms are hard, but because nobody taught them how to actually handle data, how to load it, clean it, reshape it, and understand what it is before feeding it to a model. This course fixes that. Across more than 30 videos, you will build the exact foundation that every professional data scientist has before they touch a single algorithm. NumPy arrays, Pandas wrangling, Matplotlib visualization, Scikit-Learn pipelines, PyTorch training loop, written from scratch, and statistical thinking that ties all of it together. Every module comes with a hands-on Colab notebook and downloadable cheat sheet. You are not just watching, you are building a personal reference library you will use for years. And everything runs in free Google Colab. No paid tools, no complicated setup. This is not a data from machine learning. This is the infrastructure that makes machine learning possible. Enroll today and build the foundation that most data science students never do.